Arr. Arr. Today's the day. Today is the day where we find out if this thing works or I'm just gonna go cry off in a room. But today's the day. So, to catch y'all up. So, I was gonna try and finish bolting on this transmission tonight, but one little problem. This somehow came out. So now I gotta take the transmission back off and make sure this stays lined up, or else it won't shift. So I'm tired, it's getting dark, and I am going to I was tired. So see you tomorrow. I went ahead and took the transmission back off and put the clutch fork back inside, and I went ahead and put it all the way back together again. Things can never be easy for me, but the transmission's in. Now guess what? I gotta take it back out again, and here's why. So I mocked this all up and made sure that the center console doesn't need any modifications for it to fit inside, and we seem to be good there. However, so in these chassis, the automatic hole and the manual chassis, the hole placement is different. So the automatic is farther back, so this is rubbing against the shifter. So now what I need to do is, because this is pressing against the trans tunnel, it's probably not seated all the way up, which is not ideal. I'm gonna have to undo the cross member, lower it back down a couple inches, and take a cutting wheel and just hack a little notch in there and all the way up to this thing, and that way this thing will clear and it'll go all the way up and blah blah blah. So yeah, Binky. This is gonna take forever.
A few moments later.
Okay, I guess that means it doesn't want to go any further. That should do it. Hi, Dean. What's up? Yeah, that's nice. Thanks for coming. Easy. Easy. You ready to see this thing drive?
If it can still do that.
Shut up, Dean. They don't need that because the engine doesn't stay hot after it's off.
Or it's actually better for any engine if you just let it cool itself off, even if
Has made leaps and bounds than what you have in that thing.
that is an all aluminum.
And I know for a fact that you won't change it. Oh, it's not even that. Like hot. That helps efficiency.
That's gonna get hot under the engine bay.
Yeah, that's why you get the best stuff to keep it cool.
Well,
Dean.
I'm not paying their overpriced prices because that's not what hot rodding is.
Dean. Hot rodding's expensive. So I think all I have left is to bleed the clutch master cylinder, and then we'll see if it drives. I'm gonna need you. Chicken and wild rice. You need chicken and wild rice. It could be more.
After you turn the car.
Okay. Ow, my fingy! That again?
Okay, now it's coming back up.
Alright. Press it all the way to the floor and
Okay.
hold it.
Alright.
In neutral? Start it. Turn it off. Starter's probably not connected. Or the battery's dead.
Probably put the messed up side on this side. And then the good. Push the clutch in.
Why do the animals like you?
I have no idea what you're talking about. I'm not really a cat.
Love that she just walked up to you.
I'm not really even a cat person.
Whatever. I don't understand it.
Is she supposed to be this small, or is she just thin because she doesn't eat?
I don't know.
Get the
Okay, so
cat. Yeah, that door was open.
totally forgot that the neutral safety switch has to remain plugged in. So the reason why the car won't start is because it thinks, or there's nothing telling it that the neutral start switch is on. So what we got to do is remove this, put it in park, which is in park now, or neutral, doesn't matter. and then remove it and plug this in and just toss this somewhere. So that's what I'm going to do now. Making sure it's on the vinyl.
So how are you gonna, you have to wire it in or do you just plug it in?
No, it's just the plug. So I gotta plug these in to let this tell the computer, oh, you're in park, so you can start. That's why when we tried to turn it over before, it was just like, F you, I don't want to do anything.
Electronics.
Am I right?
One thing I don't like about newer cars.
Ha ha ha, you are nasty.
I'm gonna clean it off before you put it in there.
One neutral safety switch.
So apparently cats like denim.
All right. Everybody wants to be a cat because the cat's the only cat who knows where it's at.
Okay, you're getting attached a little too quickly. This whole rubbing up against me thing, you need to calm down.
Neutral safety switch is engaged. Let's try it out, shall we?
You got the battery hooked up?
Yep. The belt's loose.
Now for God's sakes, fix the belt and then lower it and then... Ow!
Dean, it runs. Dean, it runs.
We'll see if it runs right when you put it on the ground.
It runs.
Well, we know it goes in all 4 gears. Now you need to put it on the road and see if it will do what it's supposed to.
Dean, it runs. It's been so long. Dean, it runs.
Stop.
I'm so happy.
Ow!
I'm so happy. Dean, it runs. It moves.
Stop. Get off me.
Oh my God.
Well, we know it goes in all 4 gears. Or all 5 gears and reverse. Oh, and you scared Pinky.
Sorry, Pinky.
Oh, he's behind the place.
It runs.
It's the only one you did right. You're gonna need that in 5 minutes. Make sure you roll the windows down because you probably freaking steamed it up in there leaving them up.
Shut up. Oh God, it's hot.
I told you, I don't know why you left your windows up.
Dean. Help.
You want me to drive the freaking thing?
No, I want to drive.
Then roll the windows down and stop letting it bake.
But it's hot.
Because you left the windows up.
It's hot.
And FYI, you're still on bricks. That's about the fanciest thing he has is power windows.
Hand me my GoPro. tons, Dad.
So, how much of a pile is it still?
Huh?
How much of a pile is it still?
Well, the whole drivetrain's shaking, so I think the engine mounts are probably shot or something. Aside from that, I think the clutch has too much play in it. Like, it's weird. I don't know.
Well, you don't have that extra bracket, so.
Yeah, that might be it. So let's go get Powerade.
Mm.
Let's cut it. Hey, Pinky.